Words are like bullets, and your mouth is like a gun. When you shoot a gun, the bullet is going to come out. Is there any way for you to take that bullet back? No. And it's going to hit something. Will it always hit your target? No. So before shooting a gun, what do you have to do? Be very careful. And the same is true when we're communicating, when we're speaking. So it's very important to pick and choose your words wisely. After thinking it through, pick and choose your words wisely. Pick the most loving words, the most compassionate words, the most appropriate words for that scenario.